Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design in my very snowy front garden, togged up in hat and coat and scarf, looking at how plants survive under the snow without that sort of protection.
Plants have different responses to snow, but everything planted out in my garden is fully hardy and will survive the winter. Anything susceptible to the cold is tucked up in my little greenhouse. These begonia leaves look pretty wrecked, but the plant is fully hardy and the thick leathery leaves will perk up again once temperatures rise and the snow is gone. There are even some flowers lurking under covering of snow, and it will all be perfectly fine. In complete contrast are the deciduous trees and shrubs that have shed their leaves and become almost completely dormant. They are ideally suited to sitting out the cold weather. All that remains are the woody stems impervious to the cold. This Persicaria red dragon is also looking a bit sad, and unlike the begonia, the stems on this herbaceous perennial will not recover. In fact, they were killed off by the first frost. But I leave the top growth standing all through the winter because it protects the crown of the plant. The roots survive underground and new buds develop at ground level to shoot up in the spring. The old stems protect these growth points, and even a layer of trapped snow acts as an insulating blanket against freezing nighttime temperatures. The old stems will be cut down in March to reveal the spectacular colour of the new shoots. This really is a stunning plant. The strappy leathery leaves of yucca and phormium make them surprisingly tough. Associated with hot, dry climates, yucca and similar plants are adapted to reduce water loss, but the thick cell walls and waxy coating also help in winter. Plus, the snow doesn't settle on the upright sword-like leaves. And finally, these tiny early flowering crocus growing from bulbs snugly buried underground seem to disregard the snow completely. The key to a winter-proof garden is to check where plants originate. Crocus are native to the Middle East, North Africa, and Central and Southern Europe, and they thrive in the high mountains where snow in winter is common. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.